Hello, dear viewers. This is Dr. Mohammad Aminul Islam. Welcome to Aminulchem Innovation. In my previous video, I showed how to write a perfect cover letter for submission of your manuscript. This video has been very popular. Therefore, in this video, I would like to explain how to write a perfect cover letter for submission of revised version manuscript. This video is very important, so please do not skip. Well, after review, the editor as well as reviewers provide several comments for the improvement of the manuscript. Therefore, you need to write a cover letter for submitting the revised version. Now, let us start with the cover letter with real example. For example, the first part of the letter could be you can write date, editor name, then editor journal name, and I am writing to submit the revised version of our manuscript. You must write the manuscript number here so that editor can easily recognize it. And titled this for further consideration at your esteemed journal, International Journal of Biological Macromolecules. So this is the first part. Then the second part is like this. Following your feedback and reviewers' suggestions, we have meticulously revised the manuscript, focusing on all aspects pointed out. We have thoroughly checked for grammatical errors and made the necessary corrections in yellow highlight to ensure the readability and novelty of our work. So this is how you can write the second paragraph. Then comes last paragraphs, and you can also mention the list of reviewers if you wish. This is the last paragraph, and then comes email signature or the last part of the letter. You can write like this, and you also need to put your online signature. It is better. So in regarding the perfect cover letter for manuscript submission, I am providing the link of this video in the description box. Please watch this to write a perfect cover letter for manuscript submission. Thanks.